Well, hello there YouTube, and welcome to another video on this so-called confusion or Rubik's Cube. And you're probably wasting your time watching this video. Well, that's what all the videos are about. So yeah, let's do this. Well, I'm actually doing this video on Sunday, and you wouldn't probably watch this till Saturday or next Saturday, I guess. And trust me, I'm very lazy. I'm too lazy to edit my videos. And you wouldn't be seeing any annotations or stuff around my videos and edits. So yeah, this is plain video. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because a lot of you asked me how to solve this Rubik's Cube in the beginner's method. So yeah, after you actually watch this video, you will not be able to completely solve this Rubik's Cube. Yes, I guarantee you that you won't be able to solve this. But yeah, try watching this video twice or thrice until you nudge jobs actually understand it. So yeah, let's do this. Before solving this Rubik's Cube, the basic things you must know are about its structure and about its pieces. Well, you can never listen to this. You can never place this piece here because they just don't match, don't they? You can never physically take this off and put this here because they don't match. And yeah, that's what all it's about. This is a centerpiece that doesn't never move. You can actually move any of the pieces here, but you can never move the centerpiece, and that's what determines which color, which face all the colors must go, which color this face is. This face is yellow and this face is white, because it's the centerpiece is white. And the next thing you need to know is the notations of the Rubik's Cube. Well, if you turn this side, if you face this Rubik's Cube this way, and if you turn this side, it's called right, or R, denoted by the letter R. You'll watch this in the annotations. I'll be putting here or anywhere here. This is R. 90 degrees clockwise is R, and 90 degrees anti-clockwise is R inverse. And same applies to all the sides, like up, U for up, and D for down, L for left, B for back, and F for front. Well, that's the basics you must need to know to solve this Rubik's Cube. And then to actually solve this Rubik's Cube, you must first unsolve it. So let's go ahead and unsolve this Rubik's Cube. What am I even doing with my life? So yeah, here it is, the Rubik's Cube unsolved. First, this is the first step before solving any of this. The first thing you must do is locate the white centerpiece. And after locating the white centerpiece, you must find out which piece comes here. Well, as you can see, the centerpiece here is white, and the centerpiece here is red. And in here must go the red and the white centerpiece, the red and the white piece. So find that, the centerpiece. Never look it in here, but always look for the centerpiece in here. Well, yeah, here is the red and the white piece. Now, what you actually do is get the red on the red side, and yes, just place the white on the white side. Complete all the four things so you can actually do the white cross. That is the first step of solving the Rubik's Cube. And here we go. Here we have our white cross, Yes, this is the white cross. As you can see, the white cross and the side pieces are correctly oriented. The orange and the orange, the green and the green, the red and the red. Please, I always say that, please just go ahead and watch this video for 4 or 5 times and practice. You cannot be able to do this if it is you know just look at it for once and actually try it. So just keep trying until you actually get it, until you actually understand it. The next thing you do is complete these pieces. Yes, these tiny little pieces here. To determine which piece comes here, I must actually look at all the 3 of the centerpieces. All the 3 of these centerpieces. And here it must be white, orange, and green. White, orange, and green, because it's this piece here. So locate white, orange, and green. So look around. Here it is. So yeah, get the white, orange, and piece, green piece right below, right below where you actually want to keep it. Yeah, and do these simple moves. Take this up away, get this down, take this in, and get this up. You actually solved it. And the piece that must come here is white, green, and red. Locate where's the white, green, and red. Here it is. Get it right under where you want to keep it. So to actually get this down, move this away, get this down, and yeah, here you go. Do this quite a few times until you actually know how to do it. So there wouldn't be any problem for you to understand it. Okay, so here we go. This is the first layer of the Rubik's Cube completed. And yeah, as you can see, the white is completed. And the first layer of the Rubik's Cube is completed. And you actually have T-shaped stuff over here. So yeah, that's what you need. The next thing you do is get the white down. Flip the cube upside. And the next thing you'd be doing, the second step that you'd be doing is complete the second layer. And to complete the second layer, you must place these pieces. This piece gathering will be as the same as these pieces. First, you must look for, yeah, here. The piece that must go here is the green and the orange. The green and the orange. Yeah, the green here and the orange. So yeah, locate the green and the orange on the cube. Here it is. Well, after you actually find this, look which color is in the top. Here it is green. So after you know which color is in the top, you must actually place that green right, opposite to what it is, the centerpiece. And after you do that, as this piece must come here, you do these simple moves. F inverse, up, F, up, right, and then up inverse, right inverse. I'll just put this algorithm on the notations on the video, so you'll be easily able to solve this by yourself. And the next thing you'd be doing is complete all the per layer, all the second layer by using that algorithms. And this is another case where you actually put that on the left side. Here is the red and the blue, and the red and the blue must go here. So yes, this place, and here is the red and the blue. I already placed it opposite to what it is. All you need to do is front, up inverse, front inverse, up inverse, left inverse, up and left. So you actually solved it. And yeah, here's another thing that you must come across. The piece is already set here, but you need it here. So what you actually do is replace this piece with any of these pieces and get this out like that. And then just actually try it out once so you'll actually understand this concept. Those are the only two algorithms you need to actually solve the whole second layer. And yeah, I solved the second layer. The next thing you do is the top cross, as we did on the bottom cross. Same top cross. Yes, this requires one simple algorithm to do the top cross. That is front, up, right, up inverse, right inverse, and front inverse. That's it. You actually do this twice or until you get the top cross. The cliche. Yes, done. This, I actually did the algorithm twice to get the top cross, so yeah, deal with it. The next thing you'd be doing is orienting these cross pieces correctly. As we did on the first, you know, the white cross, you'd be actually doing that on the top yellow cross without actually now just turn the cube around until you find two of the same two of correctly positioned pieces, and after you actually find them, see, like this, place them opposite to you and do the simple algorithms. R up, R inverse, up, R, 2 up, and R inverse, and up. Then you'll be actually placing all of them correct. After you do this, what we'll be doing is correctly orient these pieces. So how do I know that if this piece is correctly oriented? As you can see here, none of them are correctly oriented. Actually, one is. I say this piece is correctly oriented because this piece contains all the stuff that needed to be here, like the yellow, the orange, and the blue. So I say that this piece is correctly oriented. Now, after you know that one piece is correctly oriented, you must protect that piece and do the simple algorithm. This algorithm actually protect that piece which is here, right here, lower left side of here. And yeah, do this simple algorithm. R, U inverse, L inverse, U, R inverse, U inverse, L, and U. Yes. After you actually do this once or twice, just look around the cube if they are actually correctly oriented. If they aren't, do it again. Do the same algorithm twice. Sometimes the pieces already come out adjusted, and some of them don't, even though they are correctly oriented. Now, after you know that they are correctly oriented, now what you do is get this flip over these pieces. Now, let me start from here, because, you know, for no reason. You must, after you do it, you must place this flip, that the cuboid which needs to be flipped over onto your right side, lower right side, and do this until it is correctly oriented. Down, this way, up and this way, down and this way, up and this way, down and this way, up and this way, down and this way, up and this way. As you can see, this the hello is correctly placed, and all this is madness again. Just don't worry. Do the same thing again. Here, down and this way, up and this way, down and this way, up and this way, down and this way, up and this way, down and this way, up and this way. So yeah, now get this thing right where you wanted it to be. Down and this way, up and this way, down and this way, up and this way, down and this way, up and this way, down and this way. And you flip that up, and congratulations, you have solved your Rubik's Cube in under less than 2 minutes. So yeah, go out there and amaze your friends. And thanks for watching this video. And I really didn't put that much effort in making my first 2 videos, so sorry. I will promise you guys that my next videos will be much awesome, and I like